Guys, please put some gloves on, some thick gloves. I should not have done this without gloves in case your hands slip and cut yourself on these edges. What I was doing was breaking these welds loose, these tack welds that I had put on a couple of days ago. So I can jack this up, raise the back of this, and get that curvature. And then once I jack it up, this should come in a little bit on the bottom to keep that curvature. Customer was supposed to take the seats out, but he brought it with the seats in and said that he didn't care about the seats. I guess you can see by the condition he's trying to do a project on this. So I didn't want any fire to start, so I wet down this moving blanket and laid it in the car. But when you're doing stuff like this, make sure you keep your eye on everything inside the car and make sure there's no flame, anything smoking or smothering inside, the vehicle. I also disconnected the battery because I recall at one time with these cars, when you're welding, people used to disconnect the batteries. I think it's always safe to do that. What's that? Once I tack this down all the way around, I'm going to grind it and smooth off the tack welds, and then I'll put seam sealer along here. And all that does is seal up and stop water and stuff getting in there. There's no sense in welding it all, solidly all the way around. Just tack weld about, say, 2.5 inch, 3 inch apart. And that would be plenty sufficient. There's a little crease in here that I'm trying to get rid of. But like I said, they said they're going to finish off the bodywork. Once I tack this down and seam seal it, my job will be over.